Morning dear students, today we will learn how can we make a truth table and logic circuit of distributive law, and we will learn what is De Morgan theorem as well. Okay, so in our previous class we know that what is distributive law: x plus yz equals to xy plus xz, x plus yz equals to xy plus xz. These are the core distributive law. But there is one more law, x plus x bar y equals to x plus y. This is one of the variation of distributive law, or we can say it is a third distributive law. Okay, now I will prove it by using truth table, and I will make the logic circuit of that expression. Okay, now x and y, there are two input x and y. It will be 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 1. Okay, now x bar will be 1 1 0 0. Then x bar y will be 0 1 0 0. Then x plus x bar y. Then here will be, this is x 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Then x plus y will be 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, from that evaluation you can observe that x plus x bar y is equals to x plus y. It is clearly shown here. Now how can we make a logic circuit? I simply make x, then I will use the NOT gate. I will make x bar. Okay, and I will use y, and I will do AND of this. It will make x bar, it will produce x bar y. Okay, now this is the x again, and again I will do the OR of that expression. Okay, so it will be x plus x bar y. Okay, so this is how I can create a logic circuit of any Boolean expression. Okay, so I will give you one more example, like a b c bar plus b bar c a plus a bar b bar c. I have to make the logic circuit of that particular expression. So what I will do, I will take input as, this is the a, this is b, and this is c bar. For c bar I will use the NOT gate. Okay, after that I will do AND of all three expression. Next there is b bar c a, then I will use b, then I will do NOT b bar, then c, then at the end a. Okay, and I will do AND of these as well. And here it is a bar b bar c. This is a, and this is a bar, this is b, and this is b bar, and this is c. And if I conclude with that with AND, so this is a bar b bar c, this is a b c bar, this is b bar c a. And I will, and for all these I will do the OR of all these. So if I do OR of all these, it will give the resultant y, like that. So this is how I can make a logic circuit of any Boolean expression, and this is how I can prove any Boolean expression with the help of truth table. Okay, now next is De Morgan theorem. What is De Morgan theorem? De Morgan theorem says x plus y का whole bar is equals to x bar plus y bar, and second is x dot y whole bar equals to x bar plus y bar. Okay, and there is one more concept, that is duality concept. What is a duality concept? There are three rules for duality. First rule says change all the or means plus, or expression I will be changed into and all the and means dot. All the and expression will be changed into or means plus. Means plus will be converted into dot and dot will be converted into plus. Third, 0 will be converted in 1 and 1 is converted into 0. Okay, so these are the three rules of principle of duality, and if there is a question on which you have to calculate the dual of any particular expression, let us suppose in examination there is a question like x y plus x bar plus 1, and question is that, and you have to create the dual of following expression. Then it is very simple. Here you can see that x y, it is quite obvious that this x dot y, okay, and this is x plus 5. Okay, now this is x dot y and it will be converted into x plus y because dot is converted into plus. Here it is plus will be converted into dot. This is x bar, it is written as same x bar. Here it is not y, this 1. Okay, so x bar will be x bar plus again will be converted into dot, and this is 1 will be converted into 0. So this is the dual of that particular expression. Okay, so one more example I can give you. Let us suppose our example is x dot 1 plus y dot 0 plus x plus y dot 1. Okay, you have to create the dual of that particular expression. Then how will you do it? Simply it will be x plus 1 x plus 0. X will be same, dot will be converted into plus and 1 will be converted into 0. This plus will be converted into dot. This is y, dot will be converted into plus, 0 will be converted into 1, this plus will be converted into dot, then x, this plus will be converted into dot, this is y, and this dot will be converted into plus, 1 will be converted into 0. Now this is the dual of that particular expression. So thank you student, that's it for today. Today we have learned how can we create a truth table, how can we create a logic circuit, and how can we calculate a dual of any particular expression. Okay, thank you students and keep learning.